Ciama 79 cia kiuteti ni ciguthitwo iguthana gucokio magomano-ini ma barabara thutha wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kuregana na maritwa maria maraneanitwo ma aria mangiamurwo. Muikariri giti wa Fula Chebukati akiuga ati ciama ici ni ciagararire mawatho na mitaratara na njira ngurani. Ikinya riri ria Chebukati riukite thutha wa gukorwo kuri na makaya mati amwe aria maritwa mao maneanirwo ni a family cia ateti aria mari na uge munene thiini wa ciama icio, na kungi nakuo gugakorwo ati ona maritwa ma amwe aria marahitahitanira iturwa ngurani githurano-ini kiroka ni maneanitwo aria mangiamurwo.
The political parties are required, as guided by law, to review the lists within 7 days from today and submit the said list to the Commission on or before the 22nd July 2022. The political parties are required to comply with this requirement, failing which their party lists will be deemed rejected.
Chebukati athite ciama ici kuneana maritwa weru ihinda-ini ria thiku mugwanja ciguka, akiheana mukana ati ni undu wa ukunderu wa mahinda maritwa maria makuneanwo ni ciama iria cikurumirira mutaratara nomo magucabithio ngatheti-ini.
Some political parties brought the lists direct to IEBC and ignored the amendments in the new legislation which requires them to submit it first to the registrar of political party. Candidates who are participating in this year's election also appearing on the lists. Now the law does not allow candidates who are running to also appear on those party lists. Remember, the list must comply with the special interests, gender, and many other interests. So each rejection is based on the peculiar circumstances under which submissions were made.
Na wigie mihango ya gucabithio kwa maratathi ma wikia wa kura, Chebukati yaugite ati riu maratathi ma giturwa kia president nimo maracabithio gatagati ka riu na tariki 20 mweri uyu. Ona gutuika augite ati kuria kurari na mashira maratathi maku maticabithitio.
Some cases where we were restrained by the court from printing, so we did not print those ones, we put them aside. I'm also aware that some of the cases will be concluded today. The Honorable Chief Justice, I'm informed when we met during the National Election Conference, we were informed by the judges who represented the Chief Justice that cases will be concluded by the end of today, matters which affect the preparation for election.
Chebukati yakwaragia hindi ya mihango ya kuheana githomo kuri maabitha aria magakorwo ceceni-ini cia wikia wa kura, akihithuria ati maabitha matanyihire 300 nio mahetwo wira hindi ya githurano giki. Andu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.